If I told you that there was a way that you could make $1,100 extra per month pretty easily, even from home as a side job or a side hustle, would you be interested?
There is a way to do this. Find out how next.
Greetings friends and welcome to this week's video. I'm Chris. As you know, I set this channel up to try to help you with your financial goals and dreams. I never ask anything from you as far as money, try to sell you courses or merchandise.
Here comes the shameless request for you to subscribe.
But I will ask that you subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps me out here and I really appreciate it, so thank you in advance for that.
So just do it already.
I wanted to do a few videos on how people could make a little bit extra money per month as a side job or as a side hustle. I know a lot of people really need it right now.
Throughout the next couple months, as you see these videos in this series, hopefully you'll find one or two that might work for you. It might pique your interest and it might be something that you can do to make a decent amount of extra money per month.
I'm a big proponent of multiple income streams. So maybe you have your main or primary job, but in addition to that, I'm going to show you a way today where you could bring in some extra money, about $1,100 per month or more.
And that way is, drum roll please, teaching online.
Now I know this might not be for everybody. To teach online at a university, you typically have to have at least a master's level degree.
If you don't have a master's degree, don't worry. I'm going to give another example later on in this video that doesn't require one.
If you watch TV these days, you've probably seen commercials for SNHU, or Southern New Hampshire University. With SNHU, you teach 8-week courses that you would get paid $2,200 for. So that's about $1,100 a month.
And that's per class. So if you teach 2 classes in a term, that's about $2,200 extra in your pocket every month.
This is a great extra income to have without a lot of heavy lifting.
By that I mean they make it very easy. They came up with the course content and structure. They did the hard work so that you don't have to.
Plus it's pretty altruistic. Not only are you going to be able to help future leaders in the next generation and leaders of tomorrow, but you're also going to get to help out people who are older who are returning to school as well. Win-win. If you don't have a master's degree, maybe it would make sense for you to get one. Here's why I say that. You can find master's programs that are accredited that you could get anywhere from a couple $1,000s for the master's all the way up to crazy amounts. But you can get a decent one around the $10,000 to $15,000 range for sure. At that rate, it wouldn't take long before you had a return on your investment. Plus, the advanced degree might help you with other things, such as your primary job.
For example, after earning my master's in business, I felt more competitive when applying for management positions.
Or getting a new job.
If I was looking for another job, I would definitely feel much more competitive again with a master's than without.
Or whatever else you think you might benefit from it.
For example, I think that my MBA has not only helped us with our personal finances, but also with our rental business, also with acquisition analyses, and so on and so forth. I believe it definitely has paid for itself more than once.
Think about it.
Seriously, think about it.
If you don't have a master's degree and you don't have any desire to get one, there's also other opportunities out there, things like this one. This is VIP Kid. With VIP Kid, you can teach English as a second language to young children in China.
Now, I don't have experience with this one, but I've heard that there's no prep time, you don't need to know any Chinese, and it's pretty simple.
Depending on what review you read, you can make anywhere between $14 and $25 an hour. But many of the reviews say that they make an average of about $20 an hour doing this. This is another one like the SNHU one. You do it from the comfort of home. When it's convenient for you, you set your schedule and you get paid right into your bank account with direct deposit.
Cha-ching! Money, 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 money. Sing with me. Okay, no? No. Okay, no. What other jobs or ideas do you guys have? How do you make extra money?
I'd love to profile opportunities like this for everybody so everybody else can see ways that they could make some extra money per month. Of course, I have to say, I hope you guys are putting all this extra money into an extra Roth IRA or a taxable account or whatever else you can to make it grow more and more and more for the future. But of course, you have to have fun with some of it. And matter of fact, you deserve it. Look, if you're a fire person, great, save it all. Go ahead, save it all. But if you're not, maybe save half, spend half. That's it for this week, guys. Look into SNHU. Look into VIP Kids or any other opportunity like this. There's a million of them out there. Hopefully you can find something that'll work for you, that'll be fun, that'll be fulfilling for you, hopefully, and also put some extra money in your pocket each month.
Until next Friday, have a great week.